Uh-huh. Really? Yes, thank you. Clark Kent, where on earth have you been? On another planet? It's just a phrase, Clark. Are you okay? Are you sick? Why do I sound worried? Because you've been off work and there are suspicious heroes flying around and an alien planet in the sky that's home to a villain who wants to conquer Earth, that's why. Superman told you I need to meet him where? Why would he? Oh, okay. Clark is back for 5 minutes and he's got us a scoop already. Let's go.
That was Clark? Where's he been?
Something about dinosaurs on an island. I think he's still got a fever or he's been watching too many movies. Let's go.
We should have set up here in the first place.
I know, right?
We're close now.
Huh?
Commissioner Gordon, always a pleasure. What's up now?
It's the Justice League. They're back. And like you said on TV, they've gone bad.
I'll send my team out right away.
Snap! Thief! Somebody do something!
What's he doing?
Okay, Flash. Let's end this in a flash. I've got the boss's anti-life equation.
Johnny?
So, are you going to come quietly?
Nope. No, I don't think so. I'm an ice cream stealing bad person.
I'll stop the evildoer.
Mind if I join in?
Hey, let's be reasonable here. Hey, how about I give you your old job back?
Too late for that now. Tell me what you're up to.
You're a good guy. You wouldn't hurt me, would you?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Better tell him, Johnny. I've never seen him like this.
Oh, don't tell him, Johnny!
Tell me.
Listen, we're just a bunch of crooks working for Darkseid. He wanted us to find something.
Something.
A mother box.
A what now?
He told us if we found it, we could have your planet.
You blabbermouth!
I thought Darkseid was looking for the anti-life equation.
It's in the mother box.
Ugh, stop talking!
Did you get all that?
Every word.
Sorry, everyone. Flash didn't play fair. I panicked.
And with this evidence, the crime syndicate has been unmasked.
The crime syndicate of bad people!
Oh, well, it was nice while it lasted.
Shouldn't we get out of here?